Something really bad happened. I felt so bad. And if you're new to my channel, I'm Lydia. This is Kiwi and this is Pepper. And we live in our 2025 Toyota Sienna hybrid full-time. Welcome to my channel, A Minivan Life. If you don't know, I live in my minivan, my Toyota Sienna hybrid with my dog Kiwi and my cat Pepper. And you'll see my car somewhere off in the distance over there. Good morning. Pepper's having a snack. I already had coffee. Now I'm having some tea. And I have a candle lit. Papaya nectar. It smells good. Now it's Kiwi's turn for a snack. That's actually Kiwi's bowl. Pepper was helping himself to Kiwi's food. This thermometer is not right. It is not 79 degrees in here. I have it set at 70. Outside it's about 45 or 50 degrees, so not sure why it's saying it's 80 degrees in here and 32% humidity. Another change I did was I moved Pepper's bowl from here over to here, so it gives me a lot more counter space. And I noticed that Pepper had been hanging out here more since I moved his bowl. I think he needed a little bit more room here. And another thing I did, okay, that's on Velcro. Another thing I did was I removed the clear sticky gel pads here because they were not sticky anymore and hair was sticking to them. So I removed them and I added these sticky pads. I got these from the Dollar Tree and you get a lot in one roll. So here's my faucet set up. I've got running water and it's connected to a 1-gallon water bottle down there. And then the sink drains out through the bottom of the floor. And there's the cat box. I have pine pellets in there, so it actually smells good. This little vacuum works great, but it has not been charging when I had it laying on its side. Even though I had this rubber band here, it kept losing connection with the base. So what I did was I added 3 of these sticky pads under here. And so I'm going to charge it upright, and it is working now. So I'm just hoping that this thing will stay in place and not fall over, but we'll have to see. I like this little bridge. It's pretty cool. These are nice homes on the golf course. I'm at Walmart, and every time I go to a different Walmart, I look for a mini skillet, and yes, they have them here. My mini 7-inch electric skillet, and it's only 20 bucks. Yay, I'm getting this. If you read the ingredients in these coffee mates, soybean oil, soybean oil, soybean oil, soybean oil. No soybean oil. This is the liquid one in the little disposable cups. The ingredients are water, sugar, coconut oil, and less than 2% of sodium, caseinate, a milk derivative, potassium, phosphate, mono, and diglycerides, natural and artificial flavors, beta-carotene, and riboflavin for color. Contains a milk derivative. There you go, folks. No soybean oil. Are you having a good time at Walmart? All right, let's go do something more fun. This pool noodle is working really good under the bed because my window coverings kept sliding forward when I'm driving, and that was scaring Kiwi and Pepper. They sit in the front seat because they don't like things sliding around down here. But now with this pool noodle wedged in there, it shouldn't move at all. And I did drive from Dollar Tree to the park and nothing moved under there. Right now I'm steaming some tofu and some little soy sauce mix that I mixed up. It's the softest kind of tofu you can get, called silken. I have that in a paper plate. And then on top of the tofu, I have a little glass bowl of soy sauce, freshly cut up garlic, onion powder, brown sugar, sesame seed oil, and a little bit of pepper flakes. I think that's it. So, should be good. I've never made this before, actually. I changed out my pool noodle from the light blue to teal because I wanted it to match a little bit better. This one's a little bit looser because it's a tiny bit smaller than the blue one, the light blue one, but it's wedged in there so that my window coverings don't slide out. If I don't have it there, what happens is when I have to stop fast, these window coverings slide out and it bumps into the garbage here and Kiwi's food bowl, and it scares Kiwi and Pepper when we're driving. So I want to keep them secure, not have things moving around. That seems to work really good. And I bought another smaller pool noodle. I'm gonna cut 2 pieces of it and wedge it into this area here. This is where I keep the cat litter. This is where my sink drains water out the bottom. And I do want to put another bottle here too, but I'm just using it for storage because I could fit 3 1-gallon bottles of water there. But my idea is to put 2 pool noodles right here so I can put light things there, like a loaf of bread, something like that. All right, I got the pool noodles in. They're not very strong, so I don't see this lasting very long. The first one's in there secure, but the second and third one are a little bit too loose. But it will hold a loaf of bread. How about that? Now, that loaf of bread can fly off while I'm driving, so I'm not going to keep it there. I'll have to find something else that's lightweight that I could keep there. I am going to make a turkey sandwich. I've got a couple slices of sourdough bread. I've got one toasting in the toaster. And this is my little fridge. Lettuce, turkey, provolone, mayonnaise, mustard, Grey Poupon. This is gonna be good. I don't really care about the turkey, but the mustard makes it really good, and I really like the lettuce and the cheese. I'm enjoying this sandwich. See this cat hair? Gonna get rid of it with this. Presto! All clean. I keep a little brush right here to brush off the rocks off my shoes before I get in the car. And then I'll leave my dirty shoes right there and then climb in the back without shoes. What do you think, Pepper? Cat hair has been building up on this screen here. So I picked up one of these rag thingies at Dollar Tree and voila. Clean as what? Clean as a glass table. I got these scented poop bags. They smell like grape. Just don't smell it after you pick up some poop. I found an ancient clock. If you look at this, it's a clock that gives you the time with the shadow. I'm toasting up some bread, sourdough bread, and buttering my toast right here. And I did this the other day just as usual, and something really bad happened. I came back over here and there was blood on the end of the knife, and there was a drop of blood right there. I felt so bad. Pepper licked the knife with butter on it. I will never, ever, ever leave my knife out again. I was thinking, how did this not happen in the past? But when I lived in a home, I always put things in the sink with a bunch of things on it so he didn't get in there, or usually I would just put things in the dishwasher. So just a tip for all of you with pets in the car, make sure you put your knife away when you're not watching it. So I looked over Pepper's mouth. I didn't see any injury like on his tongue. He wouldn't let me see his tongue, but he was eating and drinking normally, so I'm not too worried about it, but just something to be cautious about. I'll do better from now on. Looks like a fun group. What do you think, Pepper? You just chilling? Hi, Pepper. I'm just watching a little art show here. Mommy Stroller Club. That's so cool. I thought they were gonna run, but that might not be a good idea when you're pushing your baby in a stroller. Kiwi and Pepper have figured out how to open the windows. So I'm putting these little safety bumpers on. They're just something I picked up from Dollar Tree. They're little mini nail files with a nail file case. And so I just taped it on there. I know it doesn't look good, but I really need to take safety into consideration. Right, Pepper? He knows how to open the windows. I got one here. If I want to open the window, then I'm just going to lift it up. And then I've got one back here, right there. All right, that should do the trick. It's a rainy day. Not much to do outside, so just finding things to do inside. What do you think of the rain, Pepper? He's busy. I think he's kneading some dough. Come on. Come on, keep making bread right here. Time for a nap. If Kiwi has wet paws, I just bring her in on this potty pad and I grab a tissue up there and then I just wipe off her paws right here. That way she doesn't drag in, you know, dirt on her paws. My egg steamer has beeped, so I believe it's done. It's been steaming for probably about 10 or 11 minutes. Let's check it out. So the tofu's not on a paper plate, it's on a paper bowl, and it looks soggy. So I'm gonna transfer the tofu and drain it and put it on a paper plate. And then I'm gonna put the sauce on top. You ready for a walk? This is the tofu that I used. So I scooped the tofu out with a fork out of the soggy bowl and put it on here. And here's the sauce. It's pretty spicy. Where you want to go, Pepper? He walked all this way. Pepper, you want to walk? Here's the bridge. You want to go on the bridge? Come on. Come on, Pepper. He's going on a long walk today. Okay, well, thank you for watching my video. Stay tuned for more. You found a squirrel. Are you actually trying to jump up there? Are you gonna get him? Can't jump up that high. Oh, you can't jump up that high. You're silly. All right, we gotta wait for him to come back down.